Hello students, how are you all today? I hope you are fine by God's grace. Okay, my name is Angel. I am your social teacher and I'll be teaching for you Maths and Social. We are in 5th standard ICSE B1 and B2. I would like to welcome all my dear students to our social class. Okay. Are you all liking social subject? If at all you are not liking, from today you are going to like it. Yes, I am not going to bore you, but quickly I will say very important thing what you are supposed to learn from today. Each lesson. In social, commonly we study about our earth, our society, many leaders of our country and their contribution to our nation, okay, and about the features of our country, right, like agriculture and so many things. These are called social studies, okay. This is session 1 and we are in chapter 1. The lesson title is Know Your Planet. Know your planet. Okay, I will ask you a question. In which planet are we living in? Or how many planets are there in the universe? Can anybody say? Yes, there are 8. Previously, there were 9. Now one have gone away from the visible place. Among the 8, we have a planet called Earth. Where do we live? We live one of the planet. That planet name is called Earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. It is very unique planet. Why we say it is very unique planet than any other planet in this universe? Because Earth only has land side, water bodies, and as a human being we live on Earth, and we also have trees around us, animals around us, yes, and we do breathe, we have air, we have water to survive. That's why Earth planet is called very unique planet than any other planet in the universe. Okay, fine. So, our topic is Know Your Planet. What is our planet? Earth. So, today we are going to learn very deeply about Earth, our planet. Okay, let us get into our lesson. And here are some questions are given such: whose names start with the letter M? Anyone name start with letter M? Yes, might be Madan, Muhammad, right? Some. Okay. In planets, which planet name start with M? Yes, I can hear somebody whispering. Mercury. Mercury planet and Mars. These two starts with letter M. This is just a warm up to refresh our mind. Okay, fine. Now let us move. Why we say our Earth planet is very unique? As I said, we human beings, we live, we have air to breathe and we have water to survive, and life exists in Earth planet, right? No other planet have this characteristics. Only Earth has this kind of features. Okay, and also there are large land masses and water bodies. Now look at this chart. I have divided this into 2 parts. Earth divided into two parts. One is land side Another one is water side. So we have land as well as water bodies surrounded around us. It is we are surrounded by land and water. Okay. Now when we talk about deeply about earth, there are large continents are there. The land masses are called continents. If you don't have your textbook, no problem. I will take a photocopy and I will send to the WhatsApp group. Until you get a new book, you can go through. Page number 9. We are in page number 9. So land masses, the land places are called continents. Now, what is the shape of the earth? What is the shape of the earth? Is it triangle, rectangle, square? No. It is round shape. What is the shape of the earth? Round. Yes. Our earth is flat and round shape. In ancient times, people believed that earth was flat and round and it has edges also. Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, sailed around the world and proved that the earth is round. Who have proved that the earth is round? Ferdinand Magellan, from Portuguese explorer. He went around the earth and he has found out the earth is round shape. Okay. It is round and slightly flat on the top and the bottom. In the next Zoom class, I am going to show you globe. Globe is very useful to find out places, continents, some rivers, oceans, seas. So we can accurately read the names and find out the places also. That is a model. That is a globe is a model of the earth. What is globe? Globe is the accurate model of earth. Accurate model of earth. And what can we do with globe? As I said, we can find out places of our countries, the neighborhood of our country, okay, and we also can find out how many countries are there and what are the land quantity. Okay, we can find out by using globe. So globe is very useful for us to learn about our earth. Okay, as I said, globe is a model. Okay, model of earth. It shows the distribution of land as well as water. Land as well as water. And we can also see correct shape, size and location. Correct shape, size and location of the continent, oceans, and the globe. These are the advantages of globe. These are the advantages of globe. What are the advantages? Shall we say it again? We can accurately use globe to measure the size, the shape of the land and water, and for the continent also. The distribution is very clear. We can find out the location. It's very easy to carry and use it. Okay. What are the disadvantages of globe? There are disadvantages also. Shall we learn that? Globe is a large globe. If the globe is very large, we cannot carry everywhere, right? That one point you have to remember. And globe also small, and all the details of the place cannot be shown in them. Okay, though we can see everything, but still we cannot see all the places of the earth. We cannot measure everything very accurately on globe. And then we cannot make a globe for a part of the earth. For the can we make only for one part of the earth globe? No, the globe is made for all the part of the earth. Only one half of the earth can be seen at one time, right, on a globe. These are the disadvantages of globe. Now, if you turn your book to page number 10, it shows about map, right? It shows about map. Next, first we saw about globe, next about map. Why do we use map? To locate the places, the regions, the water bodies, the oceans, and so on, right? So map is very useful when we learn social subject. First we learn about globe, and next one about map. Okay. In this map, it says about we have 7 continents. How many continents? Can I hear from you? 7 continents, and then 5 oceans in the world. Next time I will ask you, how many continents are there in the world? How many oceans are there in the world? Yes, 7 continents and 5 oceans are there in the world. Remember that. Now map. What is map? Map, first we'll know the meaning of map. Map, the word comes from Latin word. It says mappo, mappo, M-A-P-P-O, mappo. It means napkin, means we can use it as we need it, and we can just throw it. It can be a paper. Use and keep it back. Is it so? Map is very useful. As I said, Gerardus Mercator, that is a name, a Flemish map maker. Flemish map maker was the first person to publish a collection of map in the form of book. Now we have textbook, right? We have a textbook for social. If the textbook is full of map, then what can we say? The person has said that is called atlas. The book of map is called atlas. The book of map is called atlas. A-T-L-A-S, atlas. Okay. Map is very useful, as we said. And what can we do by using maps? We can draw maps on a flat surface to show continents, countries, cities, and even a neighborhood. Okay. Shall I ask you one thing? Can we make a map to show where our school, Seventh Day Adventist Higher Secondary School, has located? Yes, we can say it is in Valiyamal Road, right? Beperi, Chennai, followed by the code number. That is address, right? That's how we locate where is our school. This have asked in the textbook. How can we locate our own school in the map? Yes, we can do it. We can make our own map to find out the address for our own school. Yes, we should know it. So map is very useful. Even nowadays we have Google Map. If you put a place in the phone, Google, if you write where you want to go, the Google Map will take you. That is how the technology has improved a lot, right? So this map, we can locate all the countries, continents and cities and so on. And also map, it has three types. There are three types of maps are there. Shall we see what are it? Types of maps. First one, political maps. Second one, physical maps. Third one, climatic maps. In political maps, what we learn in political maps? In political map, we will learn about general information about climate and rainfall of a region. Political map, we can see about the land, states and their capitals. States and their capitals are shown in political maps. And then physical maps. Physical maps, we will mainly see about mountains, plateaus, and then plain places, rivers and so on. This will come under physical map. That is a physical feature of our country, of the world. And then climatic map. Climatic map means about the climate and rainfall of a particular place. That is called climatic map. Let's repeat. How many types of maps are there? Three types. What are? First one, physical maps. Second one, political maps. Third one, climatic maps. Okay students, with this I am going to conclude today's lesson. Shall we revise what we have learned today? Okay, do not be tired. Come back to the lesson. Our today lesson title is Know Your Planet. Lesson number 1, Know Your Planet. Earth is our planet as we said. Okay, what is the shape of the earth? Earth shape is round. Earth is a unique planet among any other planets. Okay, in earth divided into two parts, right? One is land side, another one is water bodies. And then we have touched about globe. Globe is very useful for us to identify, locate places, continents, countries and the ocean water bodies. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. And then last, not the least, map. What's the meaning of map? We said napkin. And it comes from which word? Latin word mappo. Map is very useful to identify political places and then regions, climatic use. We can find out continents, rivers and so on. Useful to find places. Right. And finally, how many types of maps are there? Three types. Political maps, and then physical maps, and then climatic map. With this, we will wind up our class. In the next class, we will continue from page number 11. Page number 11. I want you to read page number 11 so that it will be easy for you to understand the lesson. Thank you, students, for listening very carefully and paying attention. Have a nice day.